Yeah, did you hear this whole freaking thing move? It was a 4.8, huh? That's a decent sized one.
What's up, fam? Welcome to another adventure of ours on Kingsling Entertainment. My name is Zach.
And I'm Angela.
And we are here at the Glen Haven Mortuary once again.
Yes, we are. Standing in front of
a very huge mausoleum.
Well, not huge, but big enough.
It's huge to me.
The greatest thing, guys, was right before we started our intro. We literally had a, what was it, Susie?
4.8.
4.8 earthquake as we are standing right here with the floor and the building moving. It was actually pretty scary, you know, in the cemetery.
It felt like the Incredible Hulk just dropped down and landed on top of the building. It just rumbled. The whole building just shook. It was pretty cool.
But we're back here today. It's been about a year since we've been here.
About a year and a half or so.
So we decided, you know, it's a nice warm night. Let's come back to the cemetery. We caught some really good stuff the last time we were here. I will put the link down below in the description. If you haven't seen it, check it out. So we decided to come back and actually do more of an investigation. Brought a good friend with us, Susie. You'll see her throughout the video. She wanted to be a part of kind of investigating ghosts and spirits and communicating and using the gear. So we brought her along, and hopefully she enjoys it. But come along with us and let's get this adventure started. You ready?
Let's do it.
You ready, Susie?
Ready.
Let's go. You know, soil or some shit, fertilizer. They're giving you a shower. Instead of Miracle Grow, it's called Human Grow.
Just don't nobody trip over the hose.
Yeah, that was kind of stupid of them. Especially if this is
Well, it is at nighttime, you know, so it's...
Yeah, it's 24/7 if they're open.
Wait, I think this is a dead end now, Zach. Yeah, this is a dead end, little man.
That's a dead end.
It's a dead end. Because like there's the mausoleum, like right there.
Like this. What we got?
No.
Yeah, because that's that one part.
Unless you can walk through walls, little man, it ain't gonna happen.
Because that's the room right there where we saw all the rosaries.
Yes. Wait, look. We walked right by it, guys.
No.
Nope, but this is another part of a mausoleum? We've never been over here, little man.
I think we have.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Sound like a cat.
That's a coyote.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's very close.
There's more than one. Oh, that's a
Couple
pack.
of them.
Great.
Sounds like they got something.
Probably like, come on, brothers, sisters, we got some dinner.
They sound like hyenas. What the hell? Alright, what the hell, man?
Yeah, because they're not howling.
No, they sound like I don't know.
They sound like hyenas. They sound like the hyenas from...
Well, you gotta be
Lion
careful
King.
too. There is mountain lions up here. All right, so I guess we're gonna have to go down towards them. Nope, we're gonna head this way.
Make no sense if they would have no walkway to this mausoleum. Especially when it's a big indoor home.
I saw the fucking cone. Where'd it go?
Fuck yeah.
It's open. It's too hot in there. Whew, it's warm in here.
Look. That's new. I don't think it was cracking like that. Not cracking, but
You can see they don't take care of it very well here.
this is new. I'm not getting any activity. When the Northridge one happened, it literally was. Ah, damn it. The very first one was like a 3-point something, super minor. Then the aftershock came. Much bigger.
Yeah, did you hear this whole freaking thing move?
Yeah, that's what I heard.
That scares the crap.
The very first thing I thought, because I didn't feel it in my feet.
No, I felt the first thing because I felt like this.
I'm already.
And then I was like, what the hell?
I'm like super nervous already just to be here. So I'm like already kind of jittery, so I didn't feel it in my feet. But it literally to me sounded like something huge landed on the goddamn. I was like, oh shit, aliens?
You know, I was standing literally right here and I thought the ground rose up under my foot because I just took off running.
It's been redlining.
You want us to take the coins?
Do you not want? Oh.
Are there any spirits here that would
Redline.
like to speak to us? My name is Angela. This is Zach. And this is Susie. Can you say one of our names? How about the little girl that we spoke to last time? Are you here?
Look at all the ants. It's coming from the graves. What the hell is that supposed to mean?
Nothing is going on. It's okay, you can say hello.
Are these your coins?
Feel free to use our energy from our flashlights so that you can talk to us.
Hello? Something trying to come through. Can you shut that door again?
Put the camera on.
You guys are being awfully shy this time.
Don't be scared. It's okay.
I'm gonna move the coins, and you tell me if you can move them.
Yeah. is going off like crazy, guys, right now.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Okay, sometimes they don't like to speak with this box. Alright, let's just use the lights.
Do something.
If you hear me, light it up. Now you're gonna be stubborn.
Maybe he doesn't want to ask questions or answer questions.
Come on.
Can you make a noise? Make a knock?
Always know those that.
Light. Somebody's literally right here in front of us.
Don't leave me by myself.
Why didn't you just say go about the right side?
I don't know, there's something fucking out there. The car left, so there's something out there. No, I'm
Could
serious.
be somebody walking.
If it was a big person. But it sounded like something like walking through the brush. So guys, just a second
Are you here with
ago,
us? Can you do that again?
the noise is coming from the speaker box, and this, they're like synced up with each little bump. You hear it on the speaker.
Can you say hi?
Can you make it go to red if you hear us?
Turn it to red. I hear a vehicle.
Yeah.
See what I'm seeing.
What?
Look in that room.
What are we looking at?
The light
Oh,
that is flickering in there.
Yep, that's a light. Yeah, they did. Yeah, see, it is a candle. The rosary's not here anymore. Oh no, it is. Yeah. You guys remember this was in our last video, and right here, the rosaries were moving.
Remember the evil eye? It used to be an evil eye sitting up there. Remember the protection?
Oh yeah, that's right.
Anybody in here?
Alright guys, so we are over here by the statue now. If you guys don't know, the statue's head is supposed to constantly look like it's in different positions. So keep an eye on that, like right now, and let's see if it moves. We're gonna try to do some spirit box and see what happens. Not much has been happening at all. We've heard a few sounds, but unfortunately, there hasn't been much at all. So we're gonna try right now, and hopefully something happens. If not, I think we're just gonna call it a night. What do you think?
Yeah. It's been too much human trafficking.
Yeah, like that. Yeah, there's been too many freaking people coming through.
Like way too much.
Especially like all those loud racing cars.
The really exciting thing that happened was
The earthquake.
the earthquake.
Which unfortunately we didn't even catch on camera.
Yeah, that was right before we turned it on. So let's see if we can get any spirits to at least talk to us. So, are there any spirits here that would like to speak to us?
I see orbs.
Can I get a hello?
What the hell? That sounded like somebody walking up behind us.
Can anyone hear me? Hey. I heard you.
Does somebody that's buried right here want to say anything? Maybe I love you to a family member of yours? Show us that you're here? Are you guys scared to talk to us? That was right here.
I know, I felt it. I almost felt like a thud.
Yeah.
On the stone. Can you say hello?
And of course there's another car coming.
Hello?
Sound like a yeah.
To any and all spirits, we say hello.
Is there an evil presence here? What happened to that evil presence that was here? Is it gone? Do you not want to talk to us? Are you scared?
We definitely got more EVPs the last time.
And it's almost 1:45 in the morning. You would think that something would happen.
Well, let's keep it rolling in case we can catch anything on the way back, you know?
Alright.
Here, let's put that extra light.
Alright, so it looks like we're gonna call it a night, guys. Unfortunately, there's literally nothing happening. I don't understand why. I don't understand how there's not one thing. Alright, so we're gonna keep the camera rolling as we go back to the car.
See a shooting star.
Yeah.
You don't get to see too much of those in the valley.
No, not at all.
What's really weird is how we could see the stars, but there is no moon.
Well, I mean, that doesn't mean anything. The moon's just on the other side of the planet right now. It's like how when the moon is out during the day, it's exactly what it is. What the fuck? What was that?
I don't know.
What the fuck? Is that like a knock?
I I don't know. It's just too dark to see.
It's like, I feel like something's following us. That was right in front of you.
And so a lot of things seem to be falling out of trees.
I don't think that fell out of the tree. It kind of sounded like something running. I'm hearing a lot of knocks.
Yeah. Always seems to happen when it's time to leave.
Well, I mean, I don't know. I mean, nothing's talking to us, so like, why would it want us to
I don't
leave
know.
here? Like, that doesn't make any sense to me.
Do any of the windmills want to move? It's no wind.
Oh, look, it is.
Oh,
moving.
it is moving.
Look, the one isn't moving, but the other one is. What the hell? Just be careful. You're gonna walk on.
Can we get the other one to spin?
There's literally no wind, guys. And that's the only one moving out of 4.
Look at all the beer bottles. It's crazy how this thing is moving and this one isn't.
What was that? Wait,
Sound like a thump.
the tombstone.
Somebody moved it.
What if that was it?
I don't know. I don't think.
What if that was the sound? I mean, it sounded like it was heavy.
Yeah.
It obviously moved. It's the only reason why it looks like that. That's crazy. But what if that was that?
No, that would be scary, and
That
I'm
was
glad
the sound.
I didn't see it move.
Oh man, if I could have seen that move, that would